Hello and welcome back to the final video in this series. What you see here is the next step, which is checking to see your Microsoft Teams classes in the Microsoft Teams dashboard. And a good way to check to see if your class has been created, you can just go into the Teams management console here and go to Manage Teams, and down the bottom there, as you can see, the new class has been created with one standard channel of general. We have 3 team members and 1 owner. As you can see here, I'm in Microsoft Teams and I have my 2 current classes, 7 English A and 7 Technology B, and there you have 7 English B. So straight away it's come up in mine because I am the owner, and when I click on General, it's actually going to say it's not ready. And what you can see here, the class itself, the team class itself is actually ready to activate. But what we can do now as the classroom teacher, we can go in and populate the files we need, create the class notebook, set up some assignments if we want to, or to start with, just put a welcome post there. So once we're ready and set up and happy what we've got here ready to go, we can then activate, and then those 2 students will be available to access that class. So let's go activate. And activate. So right now, this class is now active. Fantastic. So what I'm going to do now is swap my screen to the student, and then you'll be able to see the student now has the class, and it says Matt's added you there, and away we go. So what we can see now is, as a student, as this test student, I'll have my English class and have my new class here. Click on 7 English, and here we go. Matt has added the 2 classes. And that's it. Simple, automated, and easy.